There are some days in this like career I'm in that I feel like I'm gonna go crazy, I'm drained, I'm exhausted, and I just want to like move home. It's basically being a human, you know what I mean? And then there's days like this weekend where I pinch myself so hard and pray it's not a dream because I can't believe that this is happening to me. One of my biggest dreams since I was a little girl was to attend these fancy Hollywood red carpets. I, Deepica Mutyala, am going to the Golden Globes. I'm going to the Golden Globes. It doesn't feel real. I am so lucky to have this opportunity because of my Loreal family. They have opened up doors for me to live out my wildest dreams. Like this month, I'm gonna be on a commercial on TV, like television. I'm at the 4 freaking seasons. Hello, LA. NBD, just private patio? Like what? Been working day in and day out. I haven't slept. Like even when I'm sleeping, I don't feel like I'm sleeping because I'm working on something I'm so excited about, you know what I mean? All day today, everyone's like, are you excited? Are you excited? And I've been so focused on everything I had to finish for the project that I've been telling you guys I'm working on that's launching very soon. And getting to this hotel and being at the 4 Seasons is like, reality check, Deepica, you're going to the Golden Globes, you've dreamt of this your whole life. Take 2 seconds to soak that in. Hi, roses. I need to smell you more. I need to just chill and take 2 seconds to just smell and enjoy a moment. I never do that. Ever. I can't believe that as a South Asian woman who grew up looking at TV, watching people on the carpet, double zeros, blonde hair, that I'm going to be walking that carpet. I pray and hope that a girl who is younger watches this and says, oh my God, that girl looks like me. If she can do it, so can I, because you can. I will enjoy tomorrow fully. I'm gonna try and vlog from there. I don't know if that's allowed. It's probably not cool to do it, but I don't care because I want you guys to see it. I am going to the Golden Globes. I'm going to the Golden Globes today. Trying not to yell. Turning more and more into a man that sounds like they've smoked for 10 years. This year specifically, a lot of the nominated actresses and just women in Hollywood in general are taking a stance because of the Time's Up movement. With all the women in Hollywood and all the allegations coming out recently and stories, disgusting stories of men in Hollywood taking advantage of them, whether it be verbally, sexually, or just in any way making a woman feel uncomfortable. I think it's so cool that all these incredible, really big deal women are taking a stance and wearing all black to the carpet this year. And to be totally honest, I had this like the most gold dress plan to wear. And then I saw this and I was like, hell yes, #feminist. I gotta get me a black dress. Not to say that people are even looking at me, but I'm not trying to be the girl that like rolls in with this gold dress like, hi, I've arrived, everyone stare at me. More than anything, I wanted to support the movement because these stories that are coming out are just disgusting. I hope that this stance makes at least men realize like, hey, we aren't gonna stand for it anymore. And I'm also really curious to see how the red carpet conversation goes with the who are you wearing thing. TBD, it'll be interesting to see. No better sound in the world. One lash is on, one lash isn't. Slowly getting my life together. Squads and all here. Living my best Golden Globes diet, eating pizza. There's nothing that can be done at this point, you know? And also everybody says that you get really hungry because there's only alcohol and there's no food, so ain't nobody trying to be hangry. No. It's 2 o'clock. Supposed to be downstairs like right now. I wish people understood like how much chaos goes into like this getting ready process. No nip pops, please. Oh God. I feel so beautiful, but I'm so stressed about getting ready in time that I haven't even thought to say it out loud. Borderline can't breathe, but it's fine. Beauty's pain. Teamwork makes the dream work. Literally, you guys, the hair, makeup, and outfit is exactly what I imagined. Oh man, I was like, it feels so comfortable. It's because it's not even closed, huh? I was like, I could last all night like this. What do I do when I have to pee? Like, what does anyone do?
Ask for help.
So I'm gonna like go up to like Jennifer Lawrence or like Emma Stone and be like, hey girl, can you just like help me out?
Look, it's all of our fans waiting for us. They're like not excited. Disappointment.
We're stuck in traffic and there's all these people waiting for all the famous cool people and we like to tell ourselves it's us. Kinda. First Globes.
First Globes.
I'm excited.
Here we go.
Look at that raspy voice though.
I know.
She's not feeling it, but do it for the Globes.
Gotta do it for the Globes.
Do it for the Globes. You guys, we're here. I saw Reese Witherspoon, no big deal. No big deal. They're cheering for me secretly, not Kate Hudson. exactly as insane as I pictured it to be. I spotted the champagne and I spotted Hugh Jackman. So we are finally sitting at our seats. How excited are you?
So excited.
So
to be
fun.
with someone like her,
Oh.
I'm proud. I'm proud to be there.
Welcome to the 75th Annual Golden Globes and Happy New Year, Hollywood.
The Oprah effect, you guys. All the emotion. 3 standing ovations. Oprah. That was a moment I will never forget in my entire life. Everyone's crying. That was a mic drop. Casual, no big deal. I mean, we were in the VIP line, and then a lot of really bigger deal people. Think Devil Wears Prada big deal people. This party is epic. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it tomorrow, but now we're gonna go live our life in the moment. It's insane. I mean, like, where do I begin? Should I begin with Oprah? Because that's really all that mattered. I mean, let's be real. I mean, if you saw the 75th Golden Globes, you know what I mean. She is so inspiring, you guys. Like, oh my God, that speech, like, I'm sure it was incredible on TV, but something about being in that room was electrifying tonight. Like, powerful, incredible women. It makes you feel so unstoppable. The men in the room even too, man. Like, it was just like, the energy was just so great. And then enter the after party where we danced for 3 hours, like, nonstop. Mind you, my phone died, which obviously gave me like a panic attack. I'm like, no. I don't regret it. I got to enjoy the moment. I mean, name the celebrity and they were there. Like, oh, casual, Drake, just like at the bar, like next to me. Oh, like Kendall. Oh, got introduced to Mariah. Like, I've always loved Oprah, but Reese Witherspoon, a new favorite human being. She's incredible. Biggest lesson learned: do not wear a dress with the train unless you have a handler who is like Kendall Jenner style. I felt beautiful in this dress. Do not get me wrong. Galia Lahav, you are incredible, but never ever again. It was cool for my first time and it was like worth it for the photos, but like in real life, not worth it. If you would have told 13-year-old Deepica that she'd be at the Golden Globes, I think she would have said, I knew I'd be here one day, because I worked my butt off for it. That's why. Speak it into existence, make it happen for yourself. I truly do believe this is my first Golden Globes of many. Hung out with the Loreal team, and tomorrow we're gonna wake up and go to Malibu and get like the whole Elvive treatment for their new hair products, and I'm excited to learn more about it. I mean, like, obviously I'm doing a commercial for them, so I tried the products and stuff, but like doing it the Loreal way, like, they really do know how to make you feel worth it. Cheesy, but a fact. It is, she's trying to fix her hair for the vlog. Called out.
It's totally true.
It is the day after the Golden Globes, and I feel like we're all still processing it.
Today we are going to a spa. We will get massages, and then we will use some hair treatments from the new Elvive.
Revive with Elvive.
Yes, Deepica's very familiar.
I am. Commercial coming soon.
Yeah.
Very excited. When you're L'Oreal and you can just get a house and turn it into a spa because you got it like that. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Welcome to my new bathroom world. Just kidding. Every room, it just keeps going. Oh, don't mind me, just getting a glass of fresh cucumber, lemon, something.
Just to officially thank everybody again for yesterday and for a well-needed revival.
Cheers! A water cheers!
Thank you guys very much for joining us this weekend. It is officially the launch of our new hair care line, Elvive, which we are very excited about. As you saw last night, we launched officially also our new campaign, which is all about coming back. The whole premise of what Elvive stands for is to revive damaged hair.
Come in. I am getting a massage, but before I get a massage, we are going to use the Elvive conditioning leave-in mask, hair mask. We're gonna just put it in, put a cap on so it can just like refresh my hair situation. Yesterday, did some ish to it. Okay, it's massage time. Bye. My hair feels incredible. We used the leave-in mask in my hair, and it like sat in my hair for like 20 minutes while I was getting the massage. No, it was like an hour. Who am I kidding? It feels so good. And we washed it out with their shampoo and conditioner, and you can feel it in one use. That's pretty dope. Now let's go take some pictures because my hair looks too good to not. Fun fact, the makeup artist in there, she wouldn't let me say it, but I'm going to anyways, did Rose's makeup on Titanic. No big deal. That means Kate Winslet. Cool. And now I'm gonna have a macaroon. It's like my 5th one. Oh, hey. Why is she so hot? Did you see how hot she was and how frumpy I look? Ugh, the good life.
The real life.
Everyone needs to follow her because she's gonna start vlogging and she is an emotional, sappy, cute little button.
I love you.
I'm so happy you live in LA.
I'm so happy to have you here.
She literally just moved here. This was her first trip to America and she got to go to the Golden Globes and I can't tell you how much she cried yesterday. This weekend we'll always remember for the rest of our lives.
For sure.
I just feel so grateful for it all and it wouldn't be possible without all of you. So thank you for all your support and let me know down below if you want me to keep doing more vlogs from these events. Maybe that'll make Loreal take me to all of them. Thanks, bye!